Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Joy and you are watching my channel JoyTech. Today in this tutorial I will show you how to hide your social media apps on your iPhones. So before starting my video, if you are new at my channel, please subscribe it first and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos. So let's check out how to hide your social media apps at your iPhones. As a page on screen you can see social media apps like Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, TikTok, WhatsApp, Facebook and many more. So guys, if you want to hide them from your iPhones, just keep watching this full video and after that you will all know how to hide them. Just go back, open your settings, just scroll it up, type at screen time, just scroll it up, type at content and privacy restrictions. A page on screen you can see lots of options. You can also restrict them from allow apps. You should toggle this off and on from here. But hiding your apps, just go back and down there you can see option content and restrictions. Just tap it there. The page on screen you can see many options are appears. Just focus at the apps. Just tap at apps option. And as appears on screen you can see basically these are the age restrictions 4 plus, 9 plus, 12 plus or 17 plus. Just toggle this at 4 plus and go back. Now go to your social media apps. As appears on screen you can see all the apps are hidden. Now these apps are still in your iPhones but not showing it here. So if you want to back them, just simply again go to your settings, tap at screen time, tap at content and privacy, tap at content restrictions, tap at apps and tap at allow all. As appears on screen you can see all your social media apps are backs now. Like this you can easily hide your all social media apps and turn them back easily at your devices. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please share it to your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel too. And if you have any other question, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.